Are you looking for the best side hustle in 2025? If so, stick with me till the end. I'll reveal how you can make more money faster in a simple side hustle that anyone can do, even if you've never done anything like this before. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. It's true vacation country. We are living our dreams. I'm a full-time side hustler. I haven't worked a real job in over 20 years. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money with side hustles. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So a side hustle is just something you do to make more money. And it seems like more and more people are looking for a good side hustle today. Almost everyone feels like they could use more money. And there are a lot of side hustles to choose from, and choosing the best side hustle can be challenging. You need to know that most side hustles take way too much time. You really end up just trading your time for dollars. See, they don't let you leverage your time. Well, you might as well go get another traditional job. In those side hustles, the only way you can make more money is to put in more time. Who really wants to do that? You know, things like DoorDash or Instacart or ride-sharing side hustles like Uber. Well, I side hustle not just for the money, but for the time freedom too. I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer while I'm working my side hustle. So here is my recommendation. It's what I'm doing. It's super simple. Anyone can do it. It's ideal for beginners. It's a worldwide business in over 150 countries. And this side hustle really leverages your time and your income. You can make more money faster, get paid every week by direct deposit, and earn long-term passive income too that keeps coming in month after month without any additional work. Our team has a high converting marketing system to automate the process. This only takes a few hours a week at your convenience. And because everything is online and automated, I even do it while I'm out sailing. You will receive the best training and support in the industry. We have a great training website and Facebook group, and I will mentor you personally. You'll never wonder about what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me anytime you need help. Following our team's proven system, many new people make money their very first day. And no, this is not one of those MLM things where you have to purchase products. You can make money without recruiting anyone. To learn more about the best side hustle for 2025 and to start making money today, take our online tour at easymoneypath.com.